I'm going to give a quick review video of the Bestwyll electric tonneau cover that I installed about a week and a half ago on my F150 Lightning. We live here in the Northwest, so we do get a lot of rain. And it is kind of sprinkling right now, and it has not leaked since I've had it. So again, still fairly new, but here's some of the fit and finish. They sent a remote that comes with it, so you can just hit the remote to open it. It slides back nice and smooth. The installation was pretty easy. Instructions were okay. They do have a separate instruction that you can email them for a different version. So this one comes with the side clamps. It does have a light built into it. You can just hit the remote here to turn on the light. It has 3 different levels, and then you could just turn it off. It auto shuts off when it's closed. Doesn't take up much room inside the bed. Well, it takes up a fair amount of room off the top, but as far as the space down below, there's quite a bit still underneath the canister. It does have the drains and closing action on it. So you could stop it anywhere you want also. So if you want to stop it there, just press the button. You could have it go backwards a little bit too if you want, which is a pretty nice feature. Closing all the way on the Lightning, the seal on the back is really nice. It pops up over the edge, but it does make the back door difficult to close on its own. You have to give it a little bit of push. So looking inside here with the rain that we've had, and I just opened it, so you can see there's a little dripping in there while it's opening, and from it opening up earlier here. So a good example of the tailgate not closing on its own. When the top is closed all the way, I'll go ahead and run it back and then do the auto up feature on it. The packaging on it was really nice. See it go up, and then it kind of stops once it hits, so you can either open the top a little bit or basically what I'm doing, which is a good thing because it does mean that it's sealing nice too off the back. I just give it a little bit of push for the close. And then the nice thing with this tonneau cover was that the T-slot rail does go all the way to the front, which I really liked. That's one thing I'm probably going to be putting a lumber rack on here. I use this for construction, so it's nice to be able to put your rack all the way up to the front. A lot of the tonneau covers have the cover over the canister that actually go over this edge, which I didn't like. Also back here where the T-slot is, it does look like they have an area opened up, so that way you can slide. Say if you didn't want the back rack on all the time, you should be able to slide it out pretty easily out of that. I'll show you the front trunk where I installed the electrical. That was fairly straightforward. Just ran it from here to the back. Get a little light in here. So you can see I hooked directly to the top negative, installed the red wire to the positive. That's the main coil running down underneath the truck, and just ran it underneath the rails and back up into the box on the other side. Again, install was pretty easy. Had my son help me. The box is very heavy, so plan for somebody to help you to move it around and to lift it in place. But so far I am very happy with it. It seems to be working pretty awesome. So hopefully that gives you guys an idea of the function, and you don't have any strap to deal with that gets in the way of everything, which is pretty darn nice too. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and please give it a like.